In this video, we are going to show you how to install your Floodlight Cam E30. Step 1. Prepare. Everything you need to install the camera is already included in the box. You may also need a 2 or 1 Phillips crosshead screwdriver and a 5V/1A USB power adapter. A ladder, depending on your installation location. Please read the safety instructions in the Quick Start Guide before doing the following steps. Step 2. Set up the system. Download the eufy Security app and sign up or log into your account. Power on your Floodlight camera by using the USB-C charging cable and a 5V/1A power adapter, not provided. Click Add Device, and then choose Floodlight Cam E30. Connect the camera to a power source and wait until the status LED turns solid blue. You'll see a live view from the camera. The camera is added successfully. Disconnect from the power adapter, then close the USB port cover. Step 3. Choose your installation location. You can mount the Floodlight camera vertically on a wall or hang it from a ceiling. We recommend mounting the camera 8 feet, 2.44 m, above the ground to achieve up to a 40 feet, 12 m, range of motion detection. Step 4. Install your Floodlight Cam E30. Check your local laws for installation. If you are outside of North America, installation and wiring must be performed by a licensed electrician. Separate the mounting bracket from the camera and set it aside for later installation. Remove the foam from the holes in the mounting base EVA so you can insert the screws. Install the mounting bracket. Hold the mounting bracket, align the screw holes, remove the foam from the holes, then secure the mounting bracket on the wall or ceiling. Hang your camera on the bracket while connecting the wires. Match the colors of each wire and insert the household wires directly into the designated slots. Place the camera on the mounting bracket. Snap the mounting base onto the mounting bracket, align the holes, and secure it with 2 base screws in bag B. Step 5. Adjust the lights and restore power. Manually pull up and down or left and right to adjust the floodlight vertically or horizontally. Clean the camera with a lens cleaning cloth for best performance. Switch on the main circuit breaker in the house for power restore. Congrats, you are all set.